So we've had several folks reach out to us with questions around should they take their commuted value, first of all, and when they should possibly take their commuted value. They may be closely approaching retirement within 18 to 24 months, and they're wondering, should I consider doing it before that time, or should I wait to try and accumulate more and more of so-called retirement assets because, I have an extra 2 years of income. But what most folks fail to realize is that the commuted value calculation is largely determined by interest rates. So the lower the current interest rate environment, the higher the commuted value will be. So let's use an example, and we're all considering what the costs of inflation are in today's market with housing prices and lumber prices and increasing commodities. There's no doubt going to be increased interest rates. That's a given. I have no idea when, but let's consider that interest rates will rise even, say, 0.5% to 1% over the next 2 to 3 years. What you have to realize is the percentage change in that interest rate is going to affect the commuted value substantially. Even a 50 basis point or 0.5% interest rate increase could mean hundreds of thousands of dollars in difference in your commuted value just because of that adjustment. So although you may consider, I want to work a couple more years to generate just a little bit more value in my commuted value, because interest rates will also increase at that exact same time, it might wipe out completely that extra effort. So if you're considering that you're only working to squeeze a little bit more out of that commuted value, please take the time to calculate and have a proper assessment done of your pension to understand if it even makes sense to work those extra couple of years. If it makes sense, by all means, add to the retirement account. But take in mind that the alternative is that higher interest rates will deteriorate your commuted value, and you might be very disappointed to know that you work for the extra couple of years for no benefit whatsoever.